Understanding early arrangements in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, early arrangements. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both personal planning and professional contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Early arrangements refer to the planning and organizing of activities or events well before they happen. This phrase emphasizes the importance of being proactive and preparing ahead of time to ensure everything goes smoothly. It can be applied to a wide range of scenarios, from booking flights for a vacation to setting up meetings in a professional setting. Making early arrangements has several benefits. Reduces stress. By planning ahead, you minimize last-minute rushes and unexpected issues. Better choices. Early planning often means more options are available, whether it's seats on a flight or venues for an event. Cost savings. Many times, making arrangements in advance can lead to discounts or lower prices. Let's look at some examples to illustrate the concept. 1. Travel planning. Booking your hotel and flights several months before your trip. 2. Event organization. Reserving a venue for a wedding or conference a year in advance. 3. Academic preparation. Enrolling in courses or arranging study groups at the beginning of the semester. Making effective early arrangements involves several key steps. Set clear objectives. Know what you want to achieve with your arrangements. Research thoroughly. Gather all the necessary information to make informed decisions. Act promptly. Once you have all the details, don't delay in making reservations or bookings. Follow up. Check in on your arrangements as the date approaches to ensure everything is on track. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and benefits of making early arrangements. Whether you're planning a trip, organizing an event, or preparing for an academic endeavor, early planning can make a significant difference. Remember, the key to smooth execution is preparation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.